In my humble opinion, mobile gaming has never been as strong as it is now, and the attraction of hooking up a wireless controller to your smartphone or small tablet is stronger than ever. There are some great mobile device controllers available, but only a few come with a means of connecting your controller to your device. And not all of them are that well designed or reliable. Wouldn't it be brilliant if someone had come up with a cheap and secure way of liberating your phone from the table and attaching it securely to just about any gamepad? Well, my friends, that's where I come in. I've got a simple build for you that takes 5 minutes and uses less than $15 or £10 worth of GoPro accessories. So, let's do this. I'm using a SteelSeries Stratos XL for my P20 Pro Android phone, but this little hack should work on a wide range of controllers with a little bit of tinkering. The components you'll need are an adhesive GoPro mount. You can use flat or curved depending on the design of your gamepad. A slide-in basic buckle mount. A straight riser extension. That will connect the buckle mount to a universal 1/4-inch tripod adapter, which in turn screws into an adjustable screw mount smartphone holder, and a couple of GoPro screws. I went for 2 lengths as it makes them easier to adjust once assembled. Assembly is simple. The buckle clips into the adhesive mount. Onto that goes the straight riser extension. It's there to elevate the phone from the back of your gamepad and enable it to pivot at the joint so you can get the perfect viewing angle. Next, you attach the smartphone holder to the tripod adapter. And fix the final screw in place. Once the 3M sticky pad is pressed firmly onto the back of your controller, it will not move. If you have a battery compartment, however, make sure it locks tightly so the weight of your phone doesn't pull it open. And pro tip, if you want to unstick the 3M pad, you can do so by heating it with a hairdryer. You can see that once assembled, the whole assembly is extremely secure. If you're interested, I use an Android app called Octopus to key map the SteelSeries to PUBG and lots of other games. And there you have it, a stylish, secure and fully adjustable solution for your mobile phone and controller needs. If you enjoyed this video, let us know with a like and a comment, and perhaps you'd consider subscribing and hitting that bell so you'll be up to date with all the cool content I've got incoming to the channel. Thanks for your support.